been nominated in 1998 by Guinness Book of Records. At that time, we were the largest integrated dairy farm in the world, and integrated dairy farm means having all activities and in one location, which is the backward integration as the feed production, as well as the raw milk production and the cattle management, together with the processing and factories. So the success of Saudi model in the dairy coming from the integration, where the pioneer companies are in full control of the complete process from feed production into final product distribution. Today, with the increase in the production, we moved into importing the majority of our feed from outside Saudi, and we are in our way to up to producing 100% of our feed ingredients from outside, and simply because of the water challenge we face in the country.